Where will we go? Who will we meet? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go. Oh, my party was so much fun. How long until my next birthday?
Well, a year.
How long is a year?
Like forever.
Actually, it's 365 days.
Oh, that's so long. How long now?
It's still 365 days.
Oh, I wish I could have a birthday every day.
Yeah, me too. With a party every day.
Fun.
That's a great idea for a story called Every Day's a Birthday. Once upon a time, Hansel and Gretel decided to have a birthday every day.
And I'm going to go first. And I'm tomorrow. Fantastic. We've got everything we need.
What about guests?
Oh, yeah. I almost forgot.
We can be the guests.
Yeah, but we need a present.
How about this harmonica?
Perfect. Go, kitty kitties, let's go. Happy birthday, Hansel.
Thank you. Who wants to play a game?
Pin the tail on the elephant? I love that game.
Watch and learn, Kate. I'm the best at this.
Yeah, you're the best.
Oops.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hansel. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Wunderbar. Have some cake.
Thanks.
Yummy. I could eat this every day.
Time to open your present.
Oh, yeah.
I love birthdays.
Great, because tomorrow is my turn for a birthday.
And then mine.
And then mine.
And so the next day, Gretel celebrated her special day.
Surprise!
Oh, a party? I had no idea.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gretel. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
And so the next day, and the next day, and the next day, it was party time. Again, and again, and again, and again, and again. 30 birthdays later.
Good morning, Kit. Your turn.
Again?
I think the elephant has enough tails now.
Let me guess. Another harmonica. Ugh.
Oh no, not more cake.
Yeah. Can I have something else? Like a salad? Sorry. All we have is cake.
This doesn't feel special anymore.
That's because special isn't special if it isn't special.
So true. So true.
Maybe tomorrow we can just have a normal day.
Yeah. Porridge. And then the park.
Yay! Normal day!
Why didn't we think of this 29 birthdays ago?
I guess a birthday every day isn't such a great idea.
Yeah, because then it won't be special.
Don't worry. There are lots of other special days in the year, like Christmas.
Yeah! When is that?
In 4 months.
That's like forever, too.
How about now? Is it closer now?
Go, 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 go! will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
I don't know. You started.
Once upon a time there were... Oh, I have no ideas.
Mom, can you help us make up a story?
Sorry, Kittens. I dropped my gold earring down the drain, and I have to get it out.
Oh.
Well, I'm sure you'll find an idea. And if you get hungry, I'll leave a snack for you in the kitchen.
Pickles?
Pickles? Ugh! I don't know how you can keep eating those things. Good luck with your story.
But we don't have any ideas.
There's one right there.
What?
A story called Two Kittens Who Couldn't Make Up a Story.
Ugh. Once upon a time, there were two kittens who, couldn't make up a story.
So they just sat on the sofa.
Until Kate decided it was snack time.
So the kittens walked to the kitchen.
Where they found a plate of pickles.
And candies.
A whole trail of them.
The kittens followed the candy trail all the way to their toy box.
Let's look in the box.
In the box, the kittens found a rocket ship.
And a treasure map.
So they decided they would blast off into outer space.
And find the buried treasure on planet Red.
Go, kitties, let's go!
The fearless kittens zipped and zoomed around the planets until suddenly...
There it is, Kate. Planet Red.
Land the rocket!
I don't know how. We'll have to parachute down.
Great idea, Kit!
Kate, our rocket's flying away. Now we have no way to get home.
Maybe this wasn't such a great idea.
Look, Kate, here's the path.
I told you it was a great idea.
That's the end of the line. What do we do now?
Dig?
Where?
I'm thinking here.
That's probably a good idea. A golden pickle!
Hey, what's going on?
Whoa!
You stole our golden pickle!
We didn't steal it.
We were just following this map we found.
Ha! I should have known that pickle-hating, gold-loving space pirate stole our pickle.
Who?
Yellow Shirt. That isn't just some golden treasure. That pickle energizes our galaxy's pickle farm on planet Green. If we don't get it back there, all of our pickle trees will die.
Then what are we waiting for?
Let's go save those pickles.
Hurry, before it's too late. Thank you, kittens. The galaxy is safe once again for pickle lovers everywhere. How can I repay you?
Could you return us to our home?
Gladly. And have a pickle. They're the best in the universe.
Thanks. And so the aliens zapped the kittens back home, right where they started.
The end.
These really are the best pickles in the whole universe. Hey, you found your earring.
Yeah, and I see you found the pickles.
Not just pickles. We found Yellow Shirt's treasure map.
And it led us into outer space.
Huh, for two kittens with no ideas, it sounds like you two found quite an adventure.
Yeah, it was amazing. Thanks, Yellow Shirt.
Hey, how did you know?